In this video we will demonstrate a few simple operations with lists. For this purpose I prepared a simple list containing 5 numbers 1 through 5. The first thing we can do is to store the length of a list in some variable and print it like this. We can also reference items in a list using indices. The indices start from 0, so if I want to print the first item in a list, I use the 0 index. Again, instead of printing, I can store the first item of a list in some variable and print it, for example. So that works too. I can actually print other items in a list too. So the item on the third position will have index 2. And now we are supposed to print number 3, which is right here. So as you see, it works. We can also use the function pop, which will return an item in a list and also remove it from the list. So I can do l.pop. This will return and remove the last item, and I can show you how the list will look after that. As you can see, the number 5 is printed, which is okay. And next I look at the list, the number 5 is already missing. I can use an index in the pop command. So if I want to print, for example, the first one, I will use the 0 index. And after that, let's again print the entire list to look at it. And it just works. So from this list, we pop the first item, which is 1, we print it, and the remaining part of the list is printed at the end. We can also use the command del for delete to just delete some item of the list. So this is the last thing I will do, and I will delete, say, the second item of the list, which will be the number 3. I'll just delete it and print the list after that. Print L. And you see that it works perfectly. So this is it about the basic functionality of lists in Karel.